So I'm making up a stinky shoe recipe. So we've got bicarb soda into this little cup and then into a little container, and then lemon essential oil. And I've just put about 6 drops of lemon essential oil in this. And then just stir it around. You could even do more, depending on how strong you want the smell to be. And then I get my shoes, and we'll just leave this set up. So you just pop the lid on each time. Grab your shoes, about half a teaspoon into the shoe, and just flick it back and forward, and then leave it in there. And then just before they go to wear it, they tip it into the bin and wear it, and then of an evening pop it back on. So if you've got someone with really smelly feet and you're finding that nothing's working, the shoes can have this. And then I've also made up a spray of tea tree, frankincense, lavender, oregano, and On Guard in a little spritzer bottle, and we spray the feet in the morning and at night, and then do this. So it's working well.